going to see how to add a new field to Dynamics 365 CE or sales, and how to utilize it in a form and add it to our UI. So to start with, I'll go to advanced settings. So once I click on advanced settings, a new window will pop up. So there I'll go to settings, click on customization. So after that you need to click on customization system, and once you do that you will see all the entities. So I'll look for entity called contact, because that's the one which I want to actually add a new field. So here's the one. So contact is there. So now I go to the particular form. So I want to modify this. So I'll go with interactive experience form, and here I'll add a new field. So this would be a new field would be birth city. So this is an optional field where I would specify whether it is a business required field or a business recommended field, and then I'll select this name. Name will by default come from the display name. So if you want to change it, you can change it. Searchable, do you want to allow the user to search from this field, search on this field, you can allow it from this. Field security, I'm not enabling it right now. Auditing, I don't need to do any auditing on this per city changes unless I am utilizing it for any of my business criteria. So right now nothing that sort of, and the description is birth city. Data type is single line text. I'm going to keep it as is. Now we have multiple field type, whether it is a simple or calculated. So before that, let's look into the available data type for us. So single line of text is one data type which is available. So this is where you just want to have a field where only one set of one line is enough for capturing the data. Then you have option set. So option set is something where you will have multiple options provided to a user to specify the value for that particular field. So it can be like normally that would be option set is somewhere something like hobbies. So hobbies is you can like drawing, music, you can also like swimming, sports, or anything. So if you have multiple options provided for that, a user can select n number of options out of that. Then you have multi-select option set. So this is similar to option set, but here you will be able to select multiple options instead of only one. Then you have two options. So two option is basically no, yes, and by default you specify no is the value, or if you want to put it yes. So whenever a new record is created, it should default to yes, so you have to specify it yes. So then you have image. So image is basically if you want to capture an image of a contact, so it is actually out of the box available, but you want to add another image. In that case, image field is there. Then you have numeric fields: whole number, floating point number, decimal number, and currency. After that you have multi-line text of code. So this is similar to single line text field, but here you will have multiple lines. So that's the only difference, as the name explains. Then you have date and time, then you have lookup and customer and file. So these are the options available for you to create a new field. Once you do that, you specify the length, format, either it is a text area, URL, trigger symbol, phone, or JSON. So JSON is something which we'll look into other session. So right now I'll put it as text. So your behavior will change based on this format selection and maximum length selection. And once I do that, I'll click on save and close. And after that, we need to refresh the screen so that this newly added field is available for our selection. It's still refreshing. So it has refreshed, and I'll go to my birth city field on the right hand side. So birth city is available. I can just drag and drop it on this form, and it would be above address. I need to save this customization. Once I save it, I'll click on publish, and once it is published, I'll go back to my main form and hit refresh. And so I hope that customization is published by now. No. So we actually contact method. So here you can see, so it was in a different form. So here you can see per city is there, and it is available for our use. I hope this will help you doing the basic customization on D365.